So I was recently diagnosed with something called Hashimoto's, also have rheumatoid arthritis. And after a lot of diet changes and cooking for myself and testing everything out, we found out that I have an allergy to gluten and I have to be 110% gluten-free. And I've been cooking for myself for the last like 3 months, almost every meal, cooking, a lot of snacks every 3 hours and kind of rocking that route. And we just got back from Disneyland last night and my wife is out of town again and I'm exhausted. I've been shooting all day, I've been working all day, and I am so thankful and lucky and happy and whatever the word is, kismet, that I placed this order before I went on a 3-day trip to Disneyland, because I came home yesterday, Thursday night, and this was on the porch with dry ice in it and it was perfectly fine. So I threw it in the fridge and I am doing an unboxing next day and it stayed cool and cold in this whole thing. So I'm gonna do a little bit of a different unboxing with you guys and kind of show you what I got because of my autoimmune disease with Hashimoto's. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Jeremy with Jeremy Lou Photography. Thank you so much for tuning in. Guys, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, video helps anyway, give a thumbs up, and then click that bell for notifications. It'll tell you every time I come on. Guys, I'm a wedding, portrait, and commercial photographer. I shoot all the time. I have a family, and we don't get to eat the same thing all the time. I'm the only one that's technically gluten-free, although gluten-free would be great for the rest of them. I've never had to be on a diet where I've been restricted, right? I've never had to have food that would hurt me or harm me. And I was going through some issues and we found out that it was gluten. So I reached out to Mother of Macros because I haven't honestly used them in about 2 months, and no fault to them. I just didn't use them. I was cooking for myself, trying to figure out what I was doing, playing with different recipes, and I was having a good time, but I'm getting into wedding season and it's getting boring. So let's get into this. I went onto their website and instead of ordering the pack of whatever you can order, just send me whatever, I went a la carte route. And I did not realize that 95, 96, 98% of their meals were gluten-free. They are gluten-free already, because I went to the a la carte and almost everything was gluten-free except for a couple things, and I was stunned. Like their waffles or all that stuff gluten-free. So I'm gonna show you what I got now. Keep in mind, everything I'm gonna show you is gluten-free. So keep that in mind. If you have a dietary issue or whatever, gluten-free. I didn't look at anything else because I only care about myself, but let's go gluten-free, right? Let's start with some desserts here. So we got the Clean Sheets. This is the Battleborn brownies, gluten-free. I got 2 of these. Ooh, these are cold. Chip-faced cookie bomb, chocolate chip cookies, right? Boom, 2 of those, gluten-free. I got 2 brownies too, right? Desserts are my kryptonite. This cookie has 375 calories, 4 grams of protein, right? This thing has 130 calories. No, I lied. I can't read. No, 130 calories, 15 grams of protein in this. What? 15 grams of protein in this brownie? Bro, this is it. This is it, game changer, right? Let's go through the food now. Again, these take about 2 minutes to cook. You do a little slit, reheat in 2 to 3 minutes, and that's it, right? We're done. Oh, their packaging is cute, right? Little family-owned business here, super cute. All right, so I'm gonna go through it. Bang Bang Chicken. So I got Bang Bang Chicken. I got protein waffles. I got more protein waffles. I got duplicates of everything because that's how I, Macalicious mac and beef. So like mac and cheese beef. Beef enchiladas rojas. We got Lazy Cali burrito bowl. We got Macalicious mac and beef again. We got wild blueberry pancakes, guys. You don't have to eat it during breakfast, of course. Bang Bang Chicken, but you can, you should. Lazy shepherd's pie. I got skinny garlic chicken broccoli Alfredo. I got mushroom Swiss burger in here. And I got wild blueberry pancakes again. And of course it comes with dry ice and this thing right here, right? And then this right here is, you can use it for whatever, but it is returnable. You should return it to them so they can refill it. So when they come, you leave this out, they pick it up again. I had some people ask me about that on my last video. It's not really ours to keep, but like they're not gonna come after you, FYI. I mean, do the right thing. It's family-owned business. Okay. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 items. Why did I go 17? That's an odd number, I don't like it. I spent $195 for 17 items, okay? 17 items, I'm a numbers guy, I'm a math guy, right? Well, I mean, I have to use a calculator. But 195 divided by 17, an average of $11 per item per meal, right? I think if you sign up for the first time, I don't have a coupon code for you. If you go on there, I'm sure there's something, but if you sign up for them first time, then they might give you something like that. If you come back, they probably do deals, stuff like that. But $11 a meal, at one point in my life, I would have said that's on average or too much, but after going to cooking my own and doing my stuff and going to the grocery store, this is cheaper than actually eating out per meal. It's a kid's meal. It's a price of a kid's meal. $10 is a kid's meal. But remember, this is all gluten-free. So if you've ever tried to order gluten-free pizza anywhere and done gluten-free, they always upcharge you on that. $11 per meal, not bad. I could have gone up more and saved more. I think this was like spend $200, get 10% off, spend $250, get 20% off, something like that. But I don't have to cook. Time is value to me, and this is kind of it. So I'm excited for this. I'm excited for you guys to try this. This is, again, gluten-free meal. And it makes me very happy that I now have 17 meals, including dessert, that I do not have to cook. Scope it out, guys. I mean, this is it, right? Boom, boom, boom. Motherofmacros.com. You guys can check it out. They deliver right to your house, delivered right to my house. And the beauty of this is they also have a quick ship version, which I found out after. But if you need this today, tomorrow, you can order a quick ship version, or if you're local to where they are, you can pick it up from them directly as well, which means they're constantly cooking, they're constantly packaging, they're constantly doing it to make it out every week to everybody, which is amazing. If you guys have any questions, let me know. If you guys want me to do some behind the scenes video of me eating this stuff, mukbang style, or at least going through what you guys can see here, I'm happy to do so. But thanks for watching.